there's a big fire truck. So, a truck is very great. Cool. So we use its wheels and it has a tailgate, which is this. That's its largest. So it's called Super Duty, and this is XLT. And then, how do we open the hood? Well, I showed you. You open this one, and then you do it like this. That's how you open the hood. Yeah. Now we'll go inside. Ooh. It's very good. Because this is great. Have our seatbelt. And we have our stuff here. And there's the radio. Now, there's some drink holders over here. And then, it didn't even look like a seat. So now you have 3 seats in the front and then 3 seats in the back. Very good. Look like this. Seats. So that's and then we'll turn on. There's the radio. It's turned on. So I have my back seat over here. Like this. Let me open up. Oh goodness, I have a what I would say. And the kitty's up. Oh goodness. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh goodness. Goodness. Now we'll go back outside. Look at the back seat. Your back seat can be really cool, so you can go inside. And then